To create quality content, the Mars X is a helpful tool. It allows me to get video feedback on my mobile devices for any camera with HDMI output. It helps me to set white balance, focus, and many settings to get optimized footage. HoloView app. To create an intro, I use the HoloView app to get video feedback from my GH5 through the Wi-Fi 5 GHz. I connect to the Wi-Fi SSID generated by the Mars X. Then, in the HoloView app, I selected the right device, and here we go. We have the feedback of the camera on the iPad, so I can make the focus on my subject manually from my camera and control it on my iPad with the focus tool integrated in the HoloView app. Then I hit the record button on my camera, and on my left you can see my video feedback on live on my iPad and allows me to control that everything is alright. Then I start my YC Onion slider to create this video.